Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how fix new Outlook app not opening on Windows. First, open the search menu on your computer and type Outlook. When Outlook appears in the search results, right-click on it and select App Settings. This will open the Outlook app settings page. Scroll down a little and click on the Repair button. Wait for the repair process to finish. After the repair is complete, click on the Reset button and select Reset again to confirm. This will remove the app data and refresh the Outlook app, which can often fix the problem. If Outlook still does not open, the next step is to clear the Outlook app cache. To do this, right-click on the Start button and select Run. In the Run dialog box, type %local app data %Microsoft and click OK. A File Explorer window will open. Here, locate the folders named OK and 10, then delete both of these folders. After deleting the folders, try opening the Outlook app again and see if it works. Press Windows +R again to open the Run dialog box. This time type appwillies.cpl and press Enter. This will open the Programs and Features window. Find Microsoft Office in the list. It may appear as Office 365, Office Home and Student, or another version. Right-click on Microsoft Office and select Change. In the Repair window, choose the Online Repair option and then click Repair. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.